Hello everyone, my name is Sridhar and I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department. And today, for the AAT Tech Talk on the subject data structures, my topic is about in search of strategy against misinformation. Introduction to misinformation and data structures. Misinformation spread rapidly across digital platforms, posing significant social challenges. Effective strategies are needed to identify and combat false information efficiently. Data structures plays a crucial role in organizing and analyzing large amount of data to address that issues. Here, the misinformation means leading the information which is wrong, which may spread rapidly across the digital platforms, which also causing a significant societal challenges. There are some effective strategies which are needed to identify these combat false information effectively. So we are going to find the misinformation effective strategies and in along with the data structures. The role of data structures in misinformation detection. Data structures enable efficient storage, retrieval, and processing of vast data sets related to online content. They facilitate the implementation of algorithms that classify and verify information authenticity. Here, optimizing data structures can significantly improve the speed and accuracy of its information detection system. Here we can see that the data structures enables the efficient storage retrievals and processing the vast data systems. They were having the huge data systems and they facilitate the implementation algorithms that classify, verify information. And by optimizing these data structures, we can significantly improve the speed and accuracy of misinformation detection. Common data structure used in misinformation strategies. Here, there are some common data structures such as arrays and list offer simple storage solutions for sequential data analysis. Here, we also having hash tables provide a quick lookup capabilities and essential for real-time verification process. Here, we can also use trees and graphs support complex relationships and network analysis among information sources. Yeah, we are like the common data structures we are using to find the misinformation strategies are arrays, lists, and hash tables, and also using trees and graphs. Let us know about hash tables for fast data retrieval. Here, hash table allows content time complexity for searching and inserting data. They are ideal for building blacklist or whitelist of reliable sources. Efficient lookups help quickly flag potentially false or suspicious content. We can say here there are some hash tables allow us to allow the constant time complexity. So for searching and inserting the data, so here we can use those algorithms to find the data or search the data or insert the data very quickly. So which helps in fast data retrievals. Graphs for social network analysis. Graph data structure models relationship and information flow between users and sources. Analyzing social information helps identify influential loads, spreading misinformation. Detecting clusters and communities can reveal coordinated misinformation campaigns. Here we can see the graph data structure models relationships and misinformation flow between the users and the sources. Here also by analyzing the social graphs, we can helps us to identify the influential node spreading, which helps to stop the misinformation. Let us know about trees for hierarchical content analysis. Tree structures organize information hierarchically, aiding to source credibility assessment. Decision trees can classify content based on feature indicating truthfulness. Recursive traversal of trees supports layered verification processes. Here we can see that there are like tree structure which are organized information in a hierarchical manner. As we know, by the tree structures and organize the information in a level by level process. And then you can see, then you can have in here the decision trees can classify content based on the features which are indicating truthfulness. Bloom filters for probabilistic data checking. Here we can also use Bloom filter effectively, test whether an element is a part of set with a minimal space of what. They are useful for quick filtering of known false information sources. And also, while probabilistic positiveness are rare and manageable within information detection. We can see that there are some blue filters which are used effectively for testing whether the element is a part of the set or not. Try structures for keyword and phrase matching. Tries tries enable fast matching of keyword associated with misinformation patterns. They support real-time decision of suspicious content based on a specific phrases. Tries can be combined with other structures for layered filtering strategies. Here the tries are the keywords which are used to associate with the misinformation patterns, which also helps us to support if in a real-time detection of the suspicious content based on these specific phrases. Here, combining data structures for enhanced detection. Here, integrating multiple data structures improve the robustness of misinformation and strategies. For example, the hash tables can quickly identify sources while graphs analyze networks. Such hybrid approaches enable comprehensive and scalable detection systems. Here, the integrating multiple data sources improves the robustness, which means which the information, the data structures become robust and also easy to finding the misinformation strategies. And we use the hash tables for quickly identifying the sources with the while graphs analyze the networks. Challenges in data structure in implementation. There are many challenges in data structure implementation where we can having the majority. The challenges are handling high velocity data streams requires optimized scalable structures. Ensuring data privacy and security remains a critical concern. Balancing detention accuracy with computational efficiency is essential for real world deployment. Here we can see the challenges on data structure implementation are handling high velocity data streams, which mean the data which is coming with huge speeds, which is very difficult to handle the optimized data and also scalable structures. Ensuring data privacy and security remains a critical content concern. Here, this ensuring this data privacy is becoming very huge critical concern, and balancing directions and accuracy with the computational efficiency is essential for real-world deployment. Future directions on innovations. Advances in machine learning can be integrated with traditional data structure for better detection. And also, the developing adaptive structures that evolve with a misinformation that is a promising area. And also, cross-platform data structures can facilitate an unified misinformation tracking across channels. Here you can see that advances in machine learning can be integrated with the traditional data structures. Users the use also helps in the adaptive structures of evolve the misinformation tactics and also deploy all these misinformations and having a proper data structure. Now let us discuss about a case study where social media misinformation detection system. We are having a plan of idea website. It's just like a website or what using a data structure. We are like using data structure. We are detecting the misinformation in the social media systems. A hybrid data structure approach was used to identify false viral content efficiently. Hash tables stores misinformation sources for quick reference. Whereas the graph analysis revealed network of coordinated misinformation spreaders. Here you can see that hybrid data structure approach is used to find this social media misinformation detection system. And practical recommendation for implementation. Choose appropriate data structure based on data size, velocity, and complexity. Here, the choosing of an appropriate data structure is most important because there is a data size and velocity is most important, whereas the time complexity and space complexity, uh, which plays a vital role in the performance analysis. Whereas now regular update and maintain data structure to adapt to new information tactics. Combine algorithmic techniques with data structure for multi-layer defense. These are the things we should. These are the recommendations for implementation of a proper misinformation uh, detecting tool by using data structures. Now we are finally with the conclusion. Data structures are fundamental tools in developing effective misinformation detection strategies. Their proper application enables faster, more accurate, and scalable solution. Ongoing research and innovation are essential to stay ahead of evolving misinformation tactics. Here, the data structures are fundamental tools, which are the main important tools in developing the effective misinformation detection strategies. Their proper application enables faster and more accurate, scalable solutions, which also ongoing research on the innovations which are on this may useful for the misinformation tactics. Here we are turning the data into the wisdom is the most important thing. The impact of the data literacy on a misinformation's accessibility. We are turning our data into the wisdom so we can get a knowledge of doing the having a strategies in on misinformation detection. And these are the references where we got from all the we are got all this from articles and resources of data structures. And this is all about detecting of misinformations by using the data structures. Thank you.